catch this creek in a minute because it can be really stingy. It gets quite a bit of pressure. A lot of people fish down here just because it's really easily accessible, but thought I'd come down here today and give it a try. I know there's some quality fish in here, but like I said, they can be hard to catch. Starting out throwing this little spinnerbait around. Got hit. Kind of scared me. Wasn't expecting it. So I've gotten 2 good bites. So I think that's a pretty good indication that it might be a good day. We just got to get in the right area. If they are as active as I think they are, I may switch over to topwater, see if we can get some topwater action. This water is way down from the last time I was here, and that may mean I need to do some wading here and try to find some deeper pockets. Gonna see if we can get them to eat a frog, and then we're gonna have to see if we can even set the hook on this thing. Well, that went a little to the left. I have to adjust the reel a little bit. Pretty lightweight. We got a frogfish! God. Dang it, boys. I yanked it out of his mouth. Oh my God, I freaked out. I'm sorry. This is the only color they had in this frog. It's not a great color. It's black and red. This water's pretty clear. I think if we switched over to the Whopper Plopper, we'd probably catch us some fish right here. This is the most active section I've seen. Man, I was really wanting to catch one on a frog though. All right, I'm gonna try to work over to this island. So I'm really trying not to spook anything. If I can work over to this island and then come out there on that little point, then I can cast up against that bank and up under them trees over there, and hopefully I can, like I said, make it over there without spooking everything off. Oh my, this is insane how far this is casting this little bitty frog. It's super light. Right there. Is he on? Dang it, we got hit again. I think it is crazy. I mean, that bridge pylon over there is 40 yards. And it's casting it over there, no problem. And this thing is under, it's light. I can't, I'll have to look it up, but it's really lightweight. And it's casting this thing a mile. Keep missing these bites, man. I think they're just grabbing the skirts. They're not actually getting it in their mouth. I see there's bass in there looking at it. There's just, I think the color, number one, the color is, it's a wild color. I would have never personally picked this color out, but number two, it might be just a little bit too big for them. I don't know for sure if it's bass or what, but there is a bunch of flashing going on out here. Bigger fish. I mean, they definitely kind of look like bass to me. I'm gonna switch over to the Whopper Plopper, see if we can't make something happen. All right, Plop Daddy's tied on. See if they want this. Now these fish are nowhere near as aggressive as they are in that other creek. One time, you only get one shot at them. If you miss it that one time, it's over. Woo! Got a good one. Got a good one. Holy crap. Don't come off. Come on now. Now that's a good fish, a little largy. Please tell me I was recording. That's a good largy for this creek. Holy crap. Whew, I'm glad I came back to this spot. I was about to just leave this creek altogether. Thought I would come back down to this spot with this little Whopper Plopper. It paid off. Man, that was a good fish. That's the best one I've caught out of this creek. Heck yeah. That's what I'm saying, guys. You get around this current like this, that's just where the quality fish are. I mean, that is dirt shallow over there, and that dude's still sitting over there because, hey, the current's bringing him his food. This is DoorDash for the fish. Wow, guys, that was awesome. That was a pretty largemouth. That one got me fired up. Now I'm ready to fish. Something tiny just whacked it out of the water. That's super shallow right there. Again, he come at it again. Too little. He wanted it. I don't even know what it was, a little bluegill or something. Sometimes that's just how it goes. It's like I've had some decent bites, I've missed them, or they were too small to get it in their mouth. But you know, I had the one good largie. Sometimes certain sections of these creeks just aren't that productive. Like I said, I know this area here in this creek is pretty pressured, but you would still think you'd see some more action than that. I'm basically trying to skip over all the slow moving water, because I've tried to stop and fish that a couple of times and I've not had any luck whatsoever. So I'm trying to just stay focused on anywhere the current seems to be picking up a little bit. You got a little bit of rapids, you got those little eddies and stuff for those fish to get in and ambush out. And yeah, just helps break this water down a little bit if you focus on the high percentage areas versus just trying to fish everything. So that's what I'm doing. Will I get another good fish? I don't know, but I'm gonna try. Have some faster moving water right here. Still not quite as fast as I like for it to be, but I figured I'd check it out. Not seeing a lot of little minnows or anything in this area. Holy crap! Just one little deeper pocket right there. I saw him flash, and he ate it. I'm trying to get my pliers. Little smallmouth. Just I saw him flash right over there in that little deeper pocket, and she wanted it, or he wanted it. I'm gonna fish this one spot one more time before I call it a day on this creek. I've fished about a 3-mile stretch of this, and I've had several bites, but they're smaller. They were smaller fish, couldn't get it in their mouth. And I've had the one smallie and the one decent largemouth that I caught right here. So yeah, we'll make a few more casts in this area, see if anything happens, and if not, it's a wrap. No way. Little red breast. Is it a red breast? What is this? Y'all let me know down in the comments what kind of fish this is. Well, I'm calling that good right there, guys. I said I fished about 3-mile stretch of this creek, and it's always slow here. I really don't know if it is the pressure that it gets, or I mean, there is a lot of dead, like, slow moving water here. And like I said, every time you get around like this current, you'll start catching fish. But I don't typically like posting videos like this where, you know, there's just a couple of catches. It was a hard day, but I think I'm gonna start posting them because I don't want to I don't want my channel to portray fishing like you're gonna go out there and smash them every time, because you're just not. You're gonna have hard days on the water. And I mean, that's just the reality of it. And like they say, bad day of fishing is better than a good day at work. So I'm just going to try to keep this channel 100% real and honest, and I hope you guys like it. But yeah, as always, thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that like button. It'll help me out a bunch. Hit that subscribe button. Trying to get this channel to 1,000 subscribers, a little over halfway there. If you guys can help me out and get this channel pushed over that 1,000 subscriber mark, man, I would greatly appreciate it. And I might even be able to do another little giveaway for you guys. So that's all I got for you. We'll catch you on the next one.